Hey there, do you ever feel tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep? Or maybe you get dizzy when you stand up to fast. These could be signs your body's craving more iron. But don't worry today, I'll show you how to naturally boost your iron levels at home with foods you probably already love. No pills, no fuss. Let's dive in. Iron is like your body's delivery driver. It helps carry oxygen to every cell. Without enough, you feel worn out, weak, or even get sick more often. But before we fix it, let's talk about the two types of iron. One, easy absorb iron, which comes from meat and fish, and two, harder absorb iron, which comes from plants. Both are important, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan. First up, top iron-rich foods. Animal sources, red meat, like beef, liver, eggs, and shellfish clams are superstars. Plant powerhouses, lentils, tofu, spinach, chickpeas, quinoa, and even dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can be healthy. Now, here's a pro tip. How you cook matters. Soaking beans overnight or pairing plant iron with vitamin C, like lemon juice or bell peppers, can double absorption. Squeeze lemon on your spinach salad or lentil sits, a game changer. Let's make a quick iron boost smoothie. Blend spinach, which is packed with iron, oats, frozen mango for vitamin C, and a spoon of pumpkin seeds. It's tasty and energizing. Watch out for iron blockers. Coffee, tea, or calcium-rich foods, like milk, right before meals can stop your body from absorbing iron. Wait 1–2 hours after eating to sip your latte. Putting it all together, mix animal and plant iron for max benefits. Try grilled chicken with quinoa and broccoli. Or for vegetarians, lentil curry with tomatoes and a side of oranges. See, boosting iron doesn't mean boring meals. Start salad spinach to smoothies, snack on nuts, or enjoy dark chocolate. Your body will thank you. If symptoms last, please see a doctor. This isn't medical advice. Drop a comment if you'll try these tips, and subscribe for more easy health hacks. Bye for now.